सरपंचा कडेन कळला लायक कितें कितें अश्यो एक्टिविटी अशें करून मागीर हांवें म्हणजे वॉर्ड मेंबर्सां 10 जाणां कॉल केला. ओके सो तेणें म्हणलां की आमकां नाका. ओके सो हांवूय तेंच्या सपोर्टान आहा आनी हांव तेंकां सपोर्ट करतलें आनी जाता तितलें ट्राय करतलें.
Thank you.
It was published on the newspaper कि आमची Cortalim Ferry Jetty is going to be leased out आणि tender already float केलो हा म्हणून from river navigation department. So we immediately brought it to the notice of our MLAs आणि MLAs very म्हणजे helpfully तो जुपूच करून आमकां captain of Portsa बरे बीन घेवन गेलो and then we had a meeting with the captain there and accordingly today immediately we had the site inspection along with the officers of the river navigation. To this what he has to inform is की ये जी आता ferry आहा ती private takeover कोतले and then it's going to be tourism activities. Now our village is here, the locality is densely populated area and हिंगा आमचे local हाय ते fishing बीन कोताय थोडेशे हुंटान माताय, so it will be having an adverse effect on these आमचे हुंटानी जे बारीक लोक जो हुंटान मारून नुस्तें एकठांय कोता आनी हिंगा locals आहाय तेंका activity, what activity, he doesn't have guidelines, nothing. He's showing us the guidelines of how to allot this area. So we don't want the allotment area guidelines, we want the guidelines of what activities are going to happen. And tourism activities, I immediately called a panchayat body, so we are totally against it. We are going to have on 15th we are going to have a body meeting and soon I will be calling a Gram Sabha also. I'll take the Gram Sabha suggestions also and then accordingly we are going to go ahead with it.
But what is the...
We don't want any tourism activities to be held over here because ours is a village and this peaceful village amka ye pidyar korpa naka because as kite जाऊं we are against the tourism activities to become up here.
पण already दोन portion दिलेले.
That is what I have to inquire and I have to check out when what this was given and how, what was the procedure followed up that time and what were the guidelines that were given to the panchayat, if the panchayat has issued any.
Do you think the panchayat should be given at least the intimation?
Of course. Now this is done all without even informing us. म्हाका तेय बीन सगळ्यां नोंदय हाडपा जाय की पंचायतीक कांयच इन्फॉर्म केलो ना हेचेर आनी आमकां कांयच खबर ना आनी जेन्ना आमी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्सा बरे आयज गेले दे ऑल्सो सगळें जंबल अप केलां आयज तो नॅविगेशन रिवर नॅविगेशन same issue and we went to the captain of ports office and we discussed the matter.
Village will strongly oppose it.
Yeah, till now the panchayat members are strictly opposing this. Very soon, immediately I am going to have a Gram Sabha. I will take the say of the people also. Accordingly, I will coordinate with the department.
Activity जातले तेवूय हांवें ऑलरेडी आयजूच लेटर केल्लें आसा.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
आसा तो आमकां आजूच कळून आयिल्लो आसा. इट इज बीन हायलायटेड टू अस टुडे ओनली. आनी म्हाका दिसता की हें सामकें रॉंग की आमकां पंचायतीक इंटिमेशन करनासतना दीज एक्टिविटीज आर बींग डन टेंडर फ्लोट केला बिकॉज इवन इफ दे आर गोना डू द एक्टिविटीज इन द वॉटर लोक हांगच्यानूच येतले सो पीपल आर गोना पार्क हियर टुरिस्ट येतले ऑलरेडी Cortalim village is full of migrants and everybody is very much aware of that but I think this should be traceable or tackled properly. It should be handled in a proper manner. So आमकां एक गायडलायन तरी मेळपाक जाय की कितें एक्टिविटी चलतली. टुमोरो वी आर आन्सरेबल टू आवर विलेजर्स, आवर वोटर्स. फाल्यां तेंच्यांनी कितें क्वेश्चन केलो कसलो एक्टिविटी वी कांट जस्ट से टुरिजम एक्टिविटी. आमकां आयडिया आसपाक जाय वॉट टुरिजम एक्टिविटीज बींग will be conducted there. Like in Panjim city, now they are talking about the cities. It's a complete different concept there. एक serenity जी village जी आसा, which should not get spoiled because of the tourism activity.
ग्रीवेन्सीज आमकां हांगा येवन कळ्ळें कितें ग्रीवेन्सीज आसा ते पंचायतीन सांगलां की आमचो जो रॅम्प आसा R&D रिवर नॅविगेशन डिपार्टमेंटाचो तो आमी ठरयल्लें की डिपार्टमेंटान ठरयलें गव्हर्मेंटान ठरयलें इनफॅक्ट की भाड्याक दिवन कोणाक तरी जो कोण टुरिजम एक्टिविटीज करपाक इंट्रस्टेड आसा तांकां त्या पार्टीक दिवन तितूंतल्यान रेवेन्यू जनरेट करपाचो डिपार्टमेंटाक लागून ताका लागून गव्हर्मेंटाची आमी एप्रुवल घेवन टेंडरींग प्रोसेस चालू केली. मेन टायम आयज पंचायतीन आमकां आपयल्ले हांगा तेंच्यांनी सांगलां की ती प्रोसेस करपाक तेंचें ऑब्जेक्शन आसा. आमी तांकां सांगलां की तुमचें कितें ऑब्जेक्शन आसा तें तुमी डिपार्टमेंटाक कळया आमी तें पुटअप करता गव्हर्मेंटाक. Government decision accordingly घेतले.
Okay, we just heard that you said already some portion of ramp is given to one party.
Yes, as per my knowledge, some half of the portion is already given to the two parties.
So the panchayat was taken into confidence?
No, I do not know. That is not done by the River Navigation Department. That is done by the different department. So, as far as my knowledge.
And tomorrow if the panchayat raise objection, then what?
then we'll put up to the government again, because this approval is given by the government. So again we'll put up to the matter to the government. Let the government decide.